A simple looping command in Python. So, I recently got into programming in Python and decided to make a simple code which ran some simple maths, e.g. calculating the missing angle in a triangle and other simple things like that. After I made the program and a few others, I thought that maybe other people I know could use this, so I decided to try and make this as simple as possible. The code can be found below. The code itself does work, but the only problem is that if you have more than one question, it becomes tedious and a rather cumbersome task to constantly load up Python and hit F5. So, my idea was to have it loop an infinite number of times until you decided to close down the program. Every time I tried searching for a way to do this, all of the while true statements were for bigger and more complicated pieces of code, and with this being maybe my 5th or 10th piece of code, I couldn't understand a few of the coding for it. I'd appreciate any help or advice for this subject, as it'd make my day if anyone's willing to help.
You could put the code in a function, something like and then simply type each time to use it.
You can just ask if they want to go again. Y will restart the loop, N will end it. The dot lower is in case they type Y or N. As at 2-byte alchemist mentioned, D equals 180 is unnecessary.
While true is good enough for this script, why abandon it?
Possible.